Here's a package of lemon balm tea. This was sent to me so I could try it. Nice little compact package here. And then it's got a resealable bag here. Here's what the tea bags look like. There we go. It smells really good. I love lemon balm tea. So that's the only ingredient, lemon balm leaf. I like that. Take out a tea bag and place in your favorite cup. Add about 8 fluid ounce boiling water over the tea bag. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. And then enjoy your tea. This is herbal tea, soy-free, caffeine-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, sugar-free. Bright and soothing. There's 20 tea bags in here. So I'm gonna give it a try. This is like my favorite thing to drink at night because it's caffeine-free and I just like something warm at night that's not gonna wake me up. So let's try it. I've got the tea bag steeping in some hot water. Gonna give it a few minutes here. Here's what it looks like after, I don't know, it might have been 10 minutes now. I'm going to throw this away and now I'm gonna give it a try. It smells good. Tastes very good. It's a very light flavor, light lemony flavor. Yeah, really, I mean, that's all I really have to say. It's a light lemony flavor that is very pleasant to me. It's what I would expect from a lemon balm tea. It might even be a little bit more lemony than other ones have been in a very good way. So I really like it. This is the perfect kind of tea that I will use for like my nighttime wind down routine before I go to bed. Get a nice tea like this. It's nice and warm and cozy and helps you relax and wind down.